Hey y'all, welcome back. Today this video is obviously for my realtors out there. If you're a homeowner, you might also find this helpful. If you're a landlord, you will definitely find this helpful. And if you're just in the real estate market, you'll definitely find this helpful as well. But please use all of this at your own risk. I am not guaranteeing any outcomes. Again, use at your own risk, okay? And do these spells at your own risk, okay? Psalm 61, when you want to sell a house, 61 is good to use on a Friday. You can light a green candle and pray this Psalm 61 along with the following affirmation out loud as the candle burns. And I'll put the affirmation right here on the screen. If it don't make it to the screen, it'll be in the description box, okay? You can also use Psalm 61 to find a new home. On a Monday, you can light an orange candle and pray Psalm 61 along with the following affirmation out loud 3 times each as the candle burns. Again, the affirmation, if it doesn't pop up on the screen, it'll be in the description box below. And another good one you might find, Psalm 63, you can use that to prevent financial loss. Just direct your thoughts to success. You can burn an orange candle anointed with success oil. Read Psalm 63 and request that success be yours. Okay. And 128, using Psalm 128 to buy a new home. This one is kind of outdated, but you can take it and tweak it, tailor it to your need. You just open a savings account, carry a passbook, which they don't even do that anymore. Not to my knowledge, because everything is electronic now. But you can kind of twist it, and tailor it and make it your own. But anyway, you just carry that in your pocket and read Psalm 128 on every occasion that you can. And you'll gradually see that you're able to save money to obtain the home that you're seeking to buy. Okay. Another good one, if someone is withholding money that is rightfully yours, or your property is being tied up with restraining orders or litigation in any kind of way, you can burn a green 7-knob candle. That's good for that. Also, to gain, I'm gonna put the little thing right there up in the corner. This will be another good video for you to check out to gain contracts. So you can check that out when you get a chance. And also, I don't know if this one will be helpful, but to gain, to get new furniture, to receive new furniture for your home, just read Psalm 132. You can read that Psalm 132 over a green candle each morning. Put effort and all your strength into it. Don't go in and believing that you're not going to get it, okay? And next, this is will be for my landlords. Using ammonia. This is really good for this one, okay? It's just a common household cleaner. I'm sure you probably already got it. To rent out your apartment or your building, you're going to want to wash the front sidewalk, path, hallway, doorstep, or, any area leading up to your property with 9 buckets of water, back to back. You don't have to buy 9 buckets, but just fill it up 9 times. And then, add ammonia into each bucket, splitting the ammonia among the 9 buckets of water. Mop, it's not really a measurement, so just, split the ammonia up equally for the 9 buckets, okay? And then mop or sweep inward toward the front door the whole time. And when you're finished, just sprinkle the rest of the area closest to the door with cinnamon powder and sugar to draw sweet renters with money to spend. Okay, so you want to wash and clean that up with the ammonia first, and then use the cinnamon and sugar to draw the sweetness in. Okay, because we use sugar to sweeten things up. Okay. All right. And then if you've had a bad tenant and you feel like, hey, they've done something to my house, like jinxed it in some kind of a way. Um, you can get 4 squares of camphor, a sugar cube, and a lump of alum. Crush the alum and divide it into 5 parts. Place a square of the camphor at each of the 4 corners of the house and a pinch of the alum on top of each square. Then you're going to want to put the sugar cube under the doorstep or under your front porch with the 5th pinch of alum on top of it to draw, and that'll draw in sweet new tenants. And I hope I didn't forget anything because I'm going to make a part 2 because I didn't want to keep this too long. So everything will be in the description box. Oh, another one you can do, this is just a bonus. You can do 32, Psalm 32 to become popular in your field. You can read that psalm as the sun goes down each evening and just write the first and last verse of Psalm 32 on a piece of parchment paper and carry it with you at all times. And that's just so you can get a little spark in this real estate field, okay? And get a little motion going. All right. So until next time, y'all stay blessed and highly favored. And if I skip something, just catch me on the next one for part 2. All right, bye.